Yeah, gobble, 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 gobble. Hey guys, I'm Terrence, your favorite computer concierge with Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Park, Suite 154 in Acworth, Georgia. Second location is 3473 Cherokee Street in Kennesaw, Georgia. Website is www.computersplususa.com, where you can check out all of our cool things that we offer, from online stores to online repairs, to IT support, to cloud storage. We also do a blog every day, keeping you guys updated as far as what news is important to you, because sometimes when we watch the news, we only get things that, and we don't really hear too much about tech stuff. So we like to do that for you guys. So make sure you click and subscribe and share this with a friend. So tomorrow, Gobble Gobble Day, Turkey Day, the time to get stuffed with turkey and stuffing. Oh, it's Wednesday.
We got one more day.
I got one more day. See, that's how bad I want that turkey. I'm already like to me, I'm thinking like tomorrow is Thanksgiving when it really isn't. So I'm going to do another podcast tomorrow and say that time to eat the turkey. But right now, right now, everyone's shopping. There's like Kroger, Publix, everyone is like full. It's raining. It's like everyone's trying to get through these aisles and get the food and get everything they need to make sure they have a great Thanksgiving. That being said, there are people in Cobb County that just don't have food. They're starving, their families, their kids, and there could be even your neighbors, and you just don't even realize. What Computers Plus does is every day we take in food from our community, and we deliver those foods to different churches, from North Cobb Christian Church to North Star Church, and they get it into the families that need it most. So here's my pledge to you guys out there. Wednesdays, tomorrow, and when you're out shopping, put in the extra cans for just for another family, somebody else. Bring it to Computers Plus, bring it to your local church, and just give it away. And I'm telling you, it's going to come back 10 times more. You know, there are people, again, in our community that just don't have hot meals, don't have food, don't have jackets, don't have gloves, don't have the simple things. During COVID, we had like hands-on experience of seeing how many kids didn't even have a computer to do online school, and Computers Plus was happy to be able to work with Cobb County school systems and getting those kids those computers so they can get through that online schooling. Let's take it continuous every single day, guys. So we got a little basket out here. You know, you bring in 25 canned goods, you get $25 off of your repair. You know, each canned good gets your $1 off your repair up to $25. Service repair or even a purchase. We got some great Black Friday deals. We got some great deals now. Like, why wait for Black Friday, right? Come now. And so here's a chance for you guys to just give back to your community, give back. Great lesson to teach your kids, your grandkids, to say there are always people in this world that have less than what we have. So let's think about them every opportunity we get. So it's right here. I'm gonna be waiting for you guys to bring in some canned goods, okay? We're gonna see you guys tomorrow. We're here now till 7. I'm Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parkway, Suite 154 in Acworth, Georgia. Make sure you guys visit us on the website, check out our rent-to-own program, and we'll see you guys soon.